Okay, I think we're all set up, Mende.
Yeah. Yeah, I set up the OBS also here. Pretty cool. So you wanted to make like a spontaneous session in the room, yeah?
Yeah.
So what you
just
want to show
discovered-
me today, for example?
We just discovered some amazing new feature on this Brave browser. You can just add this sidebar here. You can just click this button and you can directly jump into a call with any person online without going through Google or logging in. This is all happening without a username even. You just write your name and you just call. It's amazing feature. And then
Leo,
yeah, when I discovered
show
this sidebar,
Leo.
I even discovered that there is an AI here. I was like, what? This is so crazy, man. Like, it's not only a shortcut. It's not like I have ChatGPT open on the side and then I have Leo here. This is integrated inside the browser.
Okay.
So I went here, like I'm learning right now how to create a Web3 DApp.
Okay.
And I want to do a connect wallet button.
Show again how you create the DApp. You can create the DApp in Brave browser.
No, I'm a developer. I'm learning how to create a DApp now.
Okay.
And I'm reading this documentation.
Okay.
So instead, I get this, summarize this page. So
okay.
this AI can directly read everything in this page
And it will tell you the most important things.
and explain them to me. We can even make this so create.
It's so cool if a human would have constantly such AI in his glasses, right? And it automatically, to any subject you only think about having a problem, it would give you some statistics, some information, right? Because it could analyze the item.
Exactly.
I think that's the future, but then the people need to have these powerful profiles, you know, which really links with it. But that's a very good thing for a web browser. I didn't know that Brave
so
had
now
this.
let me say, tell me step by step how to build and host a Next.js app. So now we will actually follow the instructions and we will have a DApp ready and deployed.
Wow.
I didn't even read anything yet. This is the first time I
Do you
opened this
think-
documentation. I've never read anything. This should make for us. I think they have a demo.
But you know, is this safe? I mean, if you use the AI for those things, or is it more it builds the guidelines, basics, and then you go over it manually? Because I feel that now maybe some people will think developing is so easy, you know, but it's not easy. You know, this might be a cool tool, but do you think it's accurate? It's like trustable?
So
Safe?
the thing is, I always say that you should be a developer and understand what you're doing and use AI as a tool.
Okay.
So always either ask a developer, or if you are a developer yourself, you need to learn and then use AI. So there is a saying like, don't use tools or even libraries that you install in your code if you don't know how to do them yourself. Use them only because you're lazy to do them yourself.
Okay.
So if you just follow this instruction, you will be an amazing developer, and you need to secure your codes and always follow up, of course, with, like, don't trust blindly what the AI tells you. So now we will just try it so that you don't have to at home. So I will just copy this command and I will do it right here. Alright. This will actually create a new. This will install the Next.js tool.
You know
globally.
what will be very cool?
And now we need to call it my app.
Okay.
So this is actually just setting up a regular empty Next.js app.
What
And
means Next.js actually? Next generations or what?
No, Next.js and
Ah.
React are developer framework. It's a library, a framework that allows you to run progressive web apps.
Ah, PWAs.
Yeah. So it is kind of the standard for PWAs. Of course, there are many other. There is Vue.js, there is Next, there is React by itself. Next, the difference between Next and React is that Next has server-side rendering features, and you can directly host it for free on Vercel. So this is what most projects use, especially in Web3.
Nice. It's quite interesting.
So now while it's still installing, well, what are you wearing around your neck, by the way, Matthias?
Me, I have still from the event before.
What events did you go to today? Today was a flood. How
Today
did you
was,
manage to go to events?
Today was a very big flood. So I was a speaker
Oh,
and it was in the global blockchain show, which is happening in Dubai for the first time. But due to the rain, it wasn't crazy busy, but still there were some really cool people and stuff. In crypto, you don't need thousands of people, even if you have little people. Some are smart, you have good conversations. For me, that's it. For me to arrive from the event entrance where I came till where is the speaker area, it took me 4 hours.
oh,
Because I got stopped many times, I stopped also many times on the way, I worked a bit even on the laptop, I checked some stands, but very briefly. What else I did? And then also I went to the food, then I went to the Bronx Hall. Oh my god, it was very interesting. And because a lot of conversations, and I was installing Bonuz to a lot of people their smartphones, so they tested the Bonuz today, and the feedback is so positive. I really like it. I hope we'll be live shortly, but
yes, guys.
I think the feedback it's too good. It's too good. And I met also some old friends. Was also good. So it's always re-updating, talking to other founders, because everybody builds stuff. And of course I spoke on the panel about best practices of KOLs and how to build communities and stuff, and I said some of my observations of the last 2-3 years building hardcore.
It's amazing. Yes, Dubai is full of amazing connections, amazing people, and check out Bonuz when it comes out, hopefully this week.
Ja. Ja.
Ja.
Ja.
Ja.
Wir sind am Aufnehmen.
Was?
Wir sind am Aufnehmen.
Was?
Podcast.
Was bedeutet
Wir
das?
sind am Aufnehmen. Richtiger Podcast.
Ja.
This is my father, guys, by the way. So the ganze Welt kann Peter am Ende sehen, wie viel es wird. Not shaved. Come, show us your epic win.
So we
What happened? He escaped. My lovely father is with us in Dubai, securing the HQ from the rain. It's a beautiful feeling. So yeah, this was the day and the time and everything, and it's pretty awesome. And now we are still working in the office. It's 1 a.m. 1 a.m. 14 minutes. I prepared scheduled posts, and yeah, we updated some things. And now you guys need to tell us if you want more spontaneous sessions like this, in which also, I don't know, we talk about random stuff, new developments or new tools, like new tips and tricks, like things like building apps, like what JC was showing, how it started off. Also with this Leo kind of browser, not browser extension, it's a standard feature of Brave browser, but please let us know if you actually like these things, and we should post more videos or make them randomly if they entertain you. Alright, thank you so much, and I'll give the mic back to JC.
Yeah.
This is just spontaneous, but we're experimenting because we are actually never making videos, and I would like surely to make more, but you know, usually people plan this, but our life is so exciting and it's so much going on like movie, that we can actually sometimes just go live and give it to you guys, and at least it's authentic. So please let me know in the comments below if you like that. Happy bull run. Peace. Thank you.
All right. Thank you,
This is really
Matthias.
fun. And we are we are also using the Brave call. It's like Zoom call, Google call, but Brave call, right?
Yes, everything is being done in Brave except my code. So now this command that the AI told us, Leo, just made this code here. I opened it in VS Code, which is a text editor. So this was generated automatically by this command, and this is what we have. We have an empty Next.js, which looks so beautiful, by the way, without even doing anything. And now we need to add a wallet connector. So
Wow, impressive.
this is what we got. Okay, so now let's go back here. Okay, how can I add the code of a wallet connector in the main page?
How long it needs for you to finish this task? Looks so fast and dynamic.
Yeah. So this task is very... So let's add, like they're telling us. So this is the library. We need to... Okay. So now we install the library inside the next project, like this, yarn add web3 model. And then I don't think it's actually explaining very well. Create a component, wallet connector JS, import. So I just want to add it right here. So I actually put these components in my app that I was developing it. So now these components will actually give you this wallet connector with the wallets, and you now have a wallet connector in your Next.js app. It's this AI tool is, as I said, if you're not a developer, you can't 100% follow it because it doesn't give you maybe up-to-date information or specific, or sometimes AI just makes up some code just for it to be right. It's like when you ask ChatGPT to create a story, and then it makes up a story. So when you tell it code something, it makes it up. So because it's a language model. So even if it's possible or not possible in the code or in the library, sometimes ChatGPT and all AI models just invent code and they assume that you write it somewhere else as a library or something like this. So it didn't work 100%. I had to do a lot of extra steps that the AI didn't tell me to do, and yeah, so I actually wasn't, but at least it saved like 60% of me going through the documentation, and this was the final result. Of course, this was done in multiple sessions, but now we just added the wallet connector, and yeah. One thing, guys, this Google connector, email, and Apple and Microsoft, this is our secret weapon. This doesn't come actually like this, but another developer actually implemented them inside the wallet connector. But yeah, that was it, Matthias.
All right. Let's amazing podcast. Let us know your feedback, and we'll be back with something else spontaneous.
Yeah, I'm
Peace.
gonna connect the wallet right now. So BitGet wallet or Trust wallet or any wallet, you can
Wow.
just scan it like this and click approve, and your wallet is connected, and you can switch the chains that we defined. Alright guys, peace.
Wow, it works. Amazing. Well done. Killer.